हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम ऋषिकेश। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज के वीडियो में हम कैपजेमिनी के इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस के बारे में जानने वाले हैं, जो कि इंटरव्यू हुआ था 19 जनवरी को। ड्यूरेशन देखिए 20 मिनट से 25 मिनट का ड्यूरेशन था और टीआर राउंड और एचआर राउंड साथ में हुआ था। ओके, इंटरव्यू देखिए हार्ड भी कह सकते या फिर वर्स्ट इंटरव्यू कहिए, ठीक है। बहुत ही हार्ड क्वेश्चन थे। देखिए डिपेंड करता है वो स्टूडेंट किस लेवल तक है, बिगिनर है, इंटरमीडिएट है, बहुत उसका सब कुछ क्लियर है, ठीक है। So as usual, let me clear that candidate name was Rishikesh. It was my interview. एग्जाम डेट 18 दिसंबर को मैंने एग्जाम दिया था कैपजेमिनी का। शॉर्ट लिस्टेड में मुझे 10 जनवरी को आया था और इंटरव्यू डेट जो था वो 19 जनवरी था। 10 से 12 के बीच में था मेरा इंटरव्यू। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एज यूजुअल, टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ। सो आई हैव गिवन हियर अ डेमो। गुड मॉर्निंग सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ. My name is Rishikesh Satish Ugile. I am from Latur, Maharashtra. Now I am pursuing my BTech degree in computer science from MS BDO Engineering College, Latur. After that, you have to mention your technical skills, the project that you have done. Okay. Later on, you can mention in projects your final year project, new projects. If you have done any app or website, you can mention that. Also, your achievements and apart from academics, you have done anything special, you can say that also. Okay. After that, the second question was what project you have made in college or the similar. He asked me the in my tell me about yourself. I explained about my project. So he asked me tell me about more about your project. So I have completed my mini project. So I explained my mini project in detail. So you can also do that, but in that you have to explain the which language you have used. You have done it in solo or team. What is the main purpose of the project, and be ready for the cross check. So after that, he asked me that what are the difficulties you face in project. First he asked me that you have done it in solo or it was a team project. I said I had done it by myself. So he asked me that what are the difficulties you face in the project. So it question varies from each and every student. Okay, आपने अगर फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट किया है, आपका वेबसाइट है, तो आपके अलग डिफिकल्टीज होंगे, आप डिपेंड करता है। सो आपको कहना है कि आपने कोड कहाँ से यूज़ किया है या फिर उसका रियल टाइम यूज़ करते तो आपको क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आई थी। ओके, आपको वो सब एक पॉइंट वाइज मेंशन करना है। ओके, पॉइंट वाइज बताना है। और एक देखिए, जो प्रॉब्लम आपको फेस किया है तो आपने उसे कैसे सॉल्व किया, ये भी आपको बताना पड़ेगा। जस्ट ये मत बताते हैं कि ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम था, ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ, आपने उसे कैसे सॉल्व किया। ओके, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ओके, ये था थर्ड क्वेश्चन। फोर्थ देखिए, व्हाट इज अ मॉड्यूलर प्रोग्रामिंग। सो जो भी देख रहे बताइए आप में से कितने को ये क्वेश्चन आता है। ओके, सो एट द इंटरव्यू आई डोंट नो, सो आई जस्ट सेड आई डोंट नो. Later on I did the Google. So the answer is modular program is the process of subdividing a computer program into separate subprograms. A modular is a separate software component. It can often be used in a variety of application and function with other component of the system. Similar functions are grouped in the same unit of the program code, and separate functions are developed as separate units of the code so that the code can be reused by the application. So this was the modular program. This was the first time I heard about the modular programming. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम इट विल बी यूजफुल। सो देखिए, ऐसा नहीं है अगर आपको इंटरव्यू हार्ड जाता है, आपको अगर वो रिजेक्ट कर देता है, आपको कुछ यूज़ नहीं होगा। उस इंटरव्यू का आपके आगे वाले इंटरव्यू में आपको बहुत ही यूज़ होगा, क्योंकि कैसे आपको ये क्वेश्चंस आपको नहीं आए तो आपका काम क्या है, आपको गूगल करना है या फिर कहीं से बुक्स से रेफरेंस करके वो क्वेश्चन का आंसर ढूंढना है। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेनेवर समवन आस्क्स दिस क्वेश्चन यू मस्ट बी एबल टू आंसर दैट। ओके, so next, what are the modules and packages in Python as I choose Python language. Okay, so you ask me this question. So this question can vary from different. For Java there are different question. Okay, so depend on this. देखिए किस किस को आता है, देखिए ट्राई कीजिए। ओके, मैं तो बताने वाला हूँ। तो बेसिकली देखिए, यहाँ पे मैंने ज़्यादा डिटेल नहीं दिया है, आप गूगल कीजिए, आपको बहुत डिटेल में इसका आंसर मिल जाएगा। ओके, सो बेसिकली मॉड्यूल इज अ फाइल कंटेनिंग पाइथन कोड इन runtime for user specific code. A package also modifies the user interpreted code in such a way that it get easily function in a runtime. Okay, so do Google, you will get the detailed answer about this question. Okay, so next was what is local scope and global scope. So before this he asked me what is scope. So I thought just anyone, if any interviewer asks you what is scope, you will definitely gonna say that what is the scope of Python or Java, like so answer this. But he listened my total answer and then he says that I was not asking this, I was asking what is local scope and global scope. So anyone knows this, try to answer. Okay, so answer is C. Variable that are defined inside a function. Everyone knows local variable, okay, and global variable. Many students might know, but global scope and local scope was somewhat hard to answer. Okay, so basically variables that are defined inside a function body have a local scope, and those defined outside the have a global scope. So I hope everyone now know the answer of this question. This means that the local variables can be accessed only inside the function in which they are declared, whereas global variables can be accessed throughout the प्रोग्राम बॉडी बाय ऑल फंक्शन. सो बेसिकली सेम ही था ये, जस्ट थोड़ा ट्रिकी उन्होंने घुमा के पूछा, ऐसे कह सकते हैं. I literally answered merely, I know this answer also, so I answered this. Later on the next question was what is dynamic programming. Okay, so dynamic programming is mainly an optimization over plain recursion. Basically it comes in recursion. Whenever we see a recursion solution that has repeated calls for same inputs, we can optimize it using dynamic. If you are answering this question, he might go deep and again ask some questions related to this. If you know this, then and then only say yes I know. Okay, yes, just say I don't know sir, and sorry. What makes you different from the others? So he just asked me 4 questions related to TR. I answered 2 of them correctly. I don't know the 2 questions, but later on I don't know, but the HR, at the background of HR mixer was going on, so right I was unable to hear many questions, so I was like asking sir please repeat the question sir. Some was, it wasn't that much familiar to me. Okay, so just basically ask me 4 questions of TR. Okay, and now he started with the HR. So what makes you different from the others? So in this you can say, if you have done a leadership anywhere, you can say this answer as a leadership. Okay, next, you are a team member. If you are saying I am a team member, you must know, like he will ask how can you say that, you must have example or you must have done that. Okay, third is your coding skills. You can say that I am quite good in coding other than students. Okay, so you must provide a quite good example also, that I have completed this course, or I have quite 3-star 4-star on CodeChef or HackerRank I have completed. Okay, hackathon. Okay, different आएगा, हर स्टूडेंट का अलग अलग है. ठीक है, so you must prepare for this also, that what makes you different from others. Okay, so next was what do you know about the Capgemini. So basically you must know that at least Capgemini works in 50 different countries. Okay, and more than 3 lakh employees are there which are working in Capgemini, even in 2020 and 2021. Okay, Capgemini is doing well in pandemic also. Okay, so I just answered this and he was quite satisfied with this, but you must have to go and check more details about Capgemini. Okay, so I just answered 3 points here. And next was what will you wear if this interview was in office. Okay, so this was really a weird question. I was like why he is asking, but it was okay. Just he was so much senior, like he was of 40 to 42 age. Okay, so he asked because he has experience of taking on campus interview, so he might have asked this question. So I said that I will wear a formal dress, as I was wearing a t-shirt, so I will say that I will wear a formal dress. Okay, but I didn't feel this a good question. Okay, so this was just normal. What was the 12th question? Are you okay with the relocation? Yes, big yes to this question. This is the familiar and always gonna ask this questions to anyone. Okay, next was what is the most difficult decision you have to take. Okay, it depends. You must say correct. Okay, don't say just like I take this branch. Okay, so those are not the good answers. Okay, like some are those who are non CSIT, they are saying that I took this branch by mistakenly or this. Okay, you must have proper reason behind that. Okay, if you are doing this decision, then you like I don't get that mark, so I take this, but I was willing to take CSIT. Okay, so this is one example, but you can say anything. Okay, there are many answers for this question. Do Google, at least prepare 2 answers for this. Okay, so depending on the condition you can change the answer. Okay, this was the 13th question. And 14 was where do you see yourself in next 10 years. Okay, so many students ask in many interviews they ask where do you see yourself in 3 years or 5 years or 10 years. Okay, so first you must say that I will learn all technologies. Okay, upcoming. Okay, technology. Then second, I want to lead a team, I want to lead a project. Okay, third comes that I will see myself in a management field. Okay, so there are many different answer for this, you can say any. Okay, go do Google, you will get many answers there. जो आपको अच्छा लगे वो आप चूज करके आप प्रिपेयर कीजिए. Okay, these are the 14 questions he asked me. So from starting, check that you are able to answer or which you must know. Okay, what are the projects and what are the difficulties you face in project, what is the modular programming, what are the modules and packages, same, what is local scope, global scope, what is the dynamic programming, what makes you different from other HR questions. Okay, these are the HR questions. Next, what do you know about Capgemini, what will you wear, are you okay with the relocation, and what is the most difficult, where do you still feel. Okay, so basically these are the 14 questions. I thought this was a hard interview. Okay, and main thing, I got rejection mail within 10 minutes after the interview. Okay, out of 10, 8 students got the rejection mail from 19th January interview slot. Okay, I don't know why, but many students got rejection mail. Okay, we don't know exactly what they are expecting from the students. Okay, so we have to prepare well. Let's see that we are not doing well, that's why we are getting rejected, so we have to prepare more. Okay, so I think everyone got each and every question. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel to get more interview experience and get all details regarding off campus drives. Again, thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.